Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a medium bag. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need two main fabric pieces, each 18 inches by 16 inches, and two lining pieces of the same size. Don't forget two strap pieces, a 14-inch zipper, and matching thread. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable sewing process from start to finish. Now that we have our materials, let's prepare the fabric. Carefully cut your main fabric, lining, and strap pieces to their exact measurements. Next, apply fusible interfacing to the wrong side of your main fabric pieces. This adds structure and durability to your bag. Finally, fold and press your strap pieces in half lengthwise, creating crisp edges for sewing. With our fabric prepared, it's time to assemble the bag body. First, sew your main fabric pieces together along the sides and bottom, leaving the top open. Repeat this for the lining. Next, create 2-inch boxed corners on both the main bag and the lining for a flat bottom. Finally, carefully insert and sew the 14-inch zipper between the main bag and the lining, ensuring a neat finish. We're almost done. Now let's create and attach the straps. Sew your strap pieces, turn them right side out and press them flat for a clean look. Securely attach these finished straps to the top edges of your main bag, about 3 inches in from each side. Finally, top stitch around the entire bag opening. This adds a professional touch and reinforces the zipper and straps, completing your beautiful new bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.